Hi guys, and welcome back again. So I thought I was running a bit late this year, but I went back, checked on last year's video, and I'm only a day behind when I planted last year. So it's what we're going to be doing today, planting garlic. Now I've got 3 sets here, but 2 different varieties. We've got the elephant garlic and some that I bought from Malvern again this year, and some saved, which was bought from Malvern last year. This is my own saved, and these are the ones from Malvern, and I'm pretty sure they're either Rhapsody or Rose White, and same goes for these. Pretty sure they are the same, but you'll be able to tell once you peel the bulbs up and have a look at the cloves. So I'm going to start just by peeling these back, separating them all, and putting them into individual containers. So start by just removing the outer skin and put the bulbs in there. Now these elephant garlic, I'm yet to try these. This will be my 3rd year growing them now, and I still haven't tried any. I was sent them by Terry King over at Gardening on a Budget, and he sent me 3 cloves just like that, and I've saved all the stock, so hopefully this year should have enough to actually try some. Right, well, I'll get through the rest of these, then we'll get back to you then. Right then, so I've just counted them up. There's 34 cloves there, which hopefully, if all them grow, that'll give us 34 bulbs next year. So, considering I only started out with 3, that's not bad. Right, so we'll move on to the ones that I got from Malvern next. And again, just split these up, and any that I don't like the look of, feel soft or the skin's a bit damaged on them, then I'll just pull them out. I'm going to try and just use bigger bulbs, or cloves even. These ones are hard neck varieties. You can see it's got the stem in the middle. These don't feel as hard as that, so they could be a soft neck, so they could be, one could be the Rhapsody, one could be the Rose White. pretty sure these are the same. It's quite a hard stem in the middle there. And colour of the cloves look pretty similar. I'm just going to put them all in the same pot and pick out the best as we're planting. See, that one's damaged, so I'll just use that in the kitchen. That one's a bit soft, so I won't use that one. Right, so that's them all peeled and pricked out. So I haven't counted these, but what we'll do is, as we're planting them, pick out the better ones and discard some of the ones where the paper's all torn off. We'll just get rid of those, we won't bother planting them. But the rest of them, we'll get them all planted. Right, so let's go and have a look at where we're putting them, and I'll tell you what I've done to the beds, because I've already added some more compost and a few other bits and bobs. Right, so let's go and get these planted. Right then guys, so it has been a couple of days since I prepared all these for planting, but this is the main bed that we're going to be doing, and I've got a board here just notched out every 6 inches apart. That's how far apart they're going to be getting planted, and I'm going to stagger them every other. So all I need to do now, place the board down, and just dig a little hole about 2 to 3 times the depth of the actual bulb, and plant them pointy end up with the basal plate pointing down. And it's also a good idea to leave holes open so you can see where you've been. Handy thing about using a board, stand on it, and I'm not making an imprint on the bed. And all I've added to this bed is a good 4 to 5 inch layer of compost. I've also added some chicken manure pellets, and then all I'll do is give it a feed of bone meal in the spring, and that should be it. Right then, so that's 3 rows of the elephant garlic in here. That's 27 bulbs, cloves planted. We've still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. And I'm going to try them in a different bed, just in case they don't do too well in here. Don't see why they wouldn't, but just in case. Right, so onto the normal garlic. These are rose white, and I'm going to do these exactly the same, 6 inches apart. This board is 5.5 inches, so they are roughly 6 to 7 inches apart that way as well. But exactly the same as these, but about 2 to 3 inches deep, and pointy end up, razor plate down. And if you haven't already, guys, please do consider subscribing. It costs absolutely nothing and really helps out the channel. And a potato. Right, so there's another 5 rows planted there of the rose white, and there's 10 in each row, so that's 50. Just get a label on that. Get this raked over and get it covered up with leaves. So just gently go across this with the back of the rake, just filling in all the holes. Do still have quite a few left, so I'm going to try them a few different ways. Might even put some in pots and a few in with the strawberries. Right, so I'll go and get some leaves to cover this, and we'll get a net over it. Right then, so I've got a wheelbarrow full of leaves, and I'm just going to use this as a mulch, just to cover over the top of it, just to protect them from any bad frosts. Not that we really get much of it here. We'll do it with another barrel full. That's okay. Should just protect all the new shoots from the frost and keep the soil that little bit warmer. Right, so get some sort of a net over this, just to keep the dogs out and stop the birds pulling them out. And that's us done. Right then, so I'm just going to use the netting that I had over the cabbage just for now till I pull down the other bed over there that's got the netting over it, and we'll make something with the hoops and the netting. But for now, I say mainly just to keep the dogs out. Right then guys, so that's going to be it for this one today. Finally managed to get some garlic planted. Two different types, the elephant garlic and the rose white. This won't need a water in, it's going to rain tonight. So if you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe and drop me a comment below. Bye for now.